I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I.
Hey guys, today I'm making a roast chicken sandwich, and here's my roast chicken right here. Yes guys, here I have some cheese, I have some vegetables there, and here I have some mayonnaise, some mustard, some ketchup, and here is my bread that I'm gonna use. These are the bread that I'm gonna use to make my roast chicken sandwich. What I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna get these bread nice. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So guys, here I have an egg yolk right here, and I have some sesame seeds. Now I'm just gonna brush this onto the bread real quick. I'm not gonna use any kitchen brush or anything. I'm just gonna use this spoon to add it real fast. As you know, I'm looking for that nice look on my bread. Don't want it to be just plain like that. So I'm giving it a nice look, guys. And all you have to do is just put some egg yolk on, and the deal is done. Seal and signed. So I'm just letting my bread look lovely right here. That's all I'm going for. A lovely looking bread. Oh, this bread is more narrow. Alright. So guys, there is the bread. Now what I do, I'm just gonna add some sesame seeds to this. Make it into something nice and looking good than what it came as. You know, Miss Brown always coming with something already. That's how I always said. Tell somebody about Miss Brown, invite them over Miss Brown, tell them to come to watch. Because I have some lovely ideas. Lovely ideas. And there it is, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this in the oven, and I'll tell you how long it stayed in there for. Look at that, guys. Wait until it comes out. It's gonna be so beautiful. Also, guys, I'm just gonna eat my chicken right there. I'm just gonna eat it up. Okay. So, guys, since the bread is in the oven, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some onions. Because I don't like raw onions on certain stuff that I eat. I don't like raw onions. Now I'm gonna use some sugar right here. Sometimes when I'm making my onions, I use sugar or I use honey, but it depends on the meal I'm making. Now that I'm making a sandwich, I'm gonna use some sugar. And a little bit of oil. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of oil and sugar. So I'm just going to put my onions in. So I'm gonna pour some vinegar in here. Here's the onions and sugar, and as you know, I've added some vinegar. I used the apple cider vinegar because I didn't have any white distilled vinegar, but it's okay. You can use it. So I'm just simply kind of caramelizing them. Just caramelizing the onions. So nobody has to refuse them because not a lot of people like raw onions. Not a lot of people do. So this is the way. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt on that. Also, I have some bell peppers that I want to put in because not everybody likes raw bell pepper either. So guys, here's the lovely bread and it's done, and that stayed about 5 minutes. You know, and I put it in the oven which was already preheated, so that's it. So guys, here's my lovely roast chicken that I've cut in small pieces. And here's my lovely bread. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna open the bread. So as you know guys, I'm just gonna baste this with some mayonnaise. I'm just gonna add my lovely chicken pieces. Yes guys, a lovely, lovely, lovely roast chicken. And you know this is one delicious meal right here. So guys, here I've added some cheese. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put some tomatoes in. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna add the onions and the bell peppers. Guys, remember these onion was done, they were caramelized with sugar. Guys, here I have some mustard. I'm just gonna put on this like this. Not much. As you know, with everything you're gonna have like a sweet, you're gonna have a tangy taste, put it that way. Because some of the things are kind of sweet, some are kind of slightly sour, like you know the mustard. So you're gonna have that nice taste. You see that, guys? This is lovely. Also, I'm gonna add some ketchup to this. Also, not much. Just like the same. So now guys, I'm gonna add some lettuce to this. Some lovely, lovely lettuce. So guys, this is what you want to eat right now, this lovely roasted chicken sandwich. And like I said, you can use whatever you want. You can use even like you can use ham, bologna, bacon, whatever you have. You can use it and do the same sandwich, the exact same sandwich, guys. So guys, here's my lovely roast chicken sandwich. Look at that, guys. Are you seeing this? This is very nice. This is lovely. And remember my bread that I've done with the egg wash and the sesame seeds. Look how beautiful it is.